Hello everyone, and welcome back to Master X. As always, I'm back with another super useful Photoshop trick that is going to make your workflow so much easier. Usually, when we add watermarks to photos, we have to do it manually for each image one by one. But today, we are going to look at how to do this with just a single button press, and even better, how to batch process over 100 images automatically. Make sure to watch till the end. First, open an image in Photoshop. Now go to the Windows menu and select Actions, shortcut, Alt plus F9. Click the Create New Folder icon at the bottom of the Actions panel and name the folder. Click the Create New Action icon right next to it. Give your action a name. Select the folder you just created, assign a shortcut key of your choice under Function key, for example, F2 or F3, and click Record. From this point on, every action you perform in Photoshop will be recorded. Go to the File menu, click Place Embedded, select your watermark image, and click Place. Your watermark is now placed on the image. Resize and align the watermark however you like. Go to File Save As, choose your desired destination folder, and save the image. Close the currently open image, shortcut, Ctrl plus W. Finally, click the Stop Recording button, the square icon, at the bottom of the Actions panel to finish saving your action. Pressing your assigned function key, F2, will now automatically apply the watermark. However, if you are given 100 plus images, pressing that button 100 times can be tedious. Because of that, we can use another great feature. Let's see how we can set it up to process a whole batch of images at once. Go to File, Scripts, Image Processor in Photoshop. Under Select the images to process, choose the folder containing your original images. Under Select Location to save processed images, select the destination folder where you want your watermarked images to be saved. Under File Type, check Save as JPEG and set the image quality to 12, maximum. Finally, check the Run Action box at the bottom, and select your previously created action folder and action name from the drop-downs. Click Run. And there you go. You will see the watermark automatically added to your entire batch of images and saved in the designated folder in no time. So, I hope you learned something new today that will make your Photoshop work much easier. If you want to watch more valuable videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel Master X, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Don't forget to drop a comment below with your thoughts on this video. Have a great day everyone, see you in the next video, take care.